Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford F150 key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the fob. Make sure you also have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier and prevent losing any small parts. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Ensure that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons are all functioning correctly before you rely on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.